Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio clear on your PlayStation 5 headset with this new audio setting. So if you want to make your footsteps or something like that easier to hear, let's go up to settings right now. Scroll on down to where it says sound. And then go to volume. And go to the right and go to accessibility, audio focus. Make soft sounds clear when using headphones. Select a frequency range to amplify. So we can go to this now and then turn this on. And we do need to have headset plugged in, otherwise we won't have this as an option. So if you're using your TV speakers, unfortunately you don't have this as an option. But then we can go to focus type. We have low pitch, then we have high pitch right here. Amplify sounds like footsteps and metallic noises. So I'm going to go to this one, and then we can try out the audio and just see if this helps or not. So I'm going to play some Call of Duty and try this out. And then we got the adjustment level. We can go to strong. And then we have the left and the right earpiece separation right here. So just go ahead and just try this out. Maybe the strong might be too strong, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out.